Hello again. Today we're gonna replace the rear wheel bearing from this Ford Mustang GT from 2017. It has a defective rear right wheel bearing, so we have some issues for MOT. So I want to show you how to replace it. Do you hear it? And the rear disc needs to be removed too. Now we have very good access to the rear hub. As you can see, this is the complete rear bearing. So we should remove these 4 bolts. This, and on this side we have 1 bolt here, and the other one, it's over here. So let's remove these 4 bolts and we can take the complete wheel bearing out. Okay, now after remove these 4 bolts, it's the time to remove the hub. This is the new hub, part number, so you can order it easily. So let's fit it. So now it should be fixed, and there's no play in the hub, so the hub is fixed.